Good morning, everyone. This is Aftab, your own friend. Here again with live stream number 46 gold, euro dollar, dollar index, dollar yen, AUDJPY, uh, GBPUSD. I'm going to be looking at today. Tell me, everyone, how is it going? Oh, I forgot to bring my phone. Forgot to bring my phone. Just give me one moment. That's there on the charge. Was not too far away. Was not too far away. So first of all, to everyone, today is a Veterans Day as well, and this is observed in the US, United States, and it is a public holiday held on the anniversary of the end of the First World War, 11 November, to honor US veterans and victims of all wars. It replaced Armistice Day in 1954. Great. So, Veterans Day in the United States as well. Looking at gold, huh? I'm also looking at gold. And I'm also looking at the Euro US dollar as well. And these other pairs as well for all of you. Oh, my webcam is too big today. Now tell me, did you like the gold forecast that I did on in the whole last week what I said? Did you like it? How was that? Just tell me. Did you enjoy it? I hope you did. I have this tiny account right here. So right here. So today if I get a chance, yes, we'll be trading live. I will be trading live for all of you. But first tell me, how was this bullish rally? Did you guys like it or not? I mean, literally a very beautiful rally it was, okay? Literally a very beautiful rally. And it was not something that was not already present. This opportunity, this bullish rally, it was already present in the market, present for all of us. It was present for all of us. See, on Sunday even what I said, that just don't focus on sell, and on Sunday what I said. But the problem is most of the traders, my videos don't reach to them. Only 100 to approximately 200 traders see the video. Maybe YouTube has some problem with me. Why it is not reaching to thousands and thousands of people? I am still trying to figure it out, but I cannot. Okay, I cannot. That why is it not reaching to a mass majority of the people? Why? Because obviously, to be honest, to have a good following, like this is the dream of every mentor. It's been like in 2016 I opened this channel, and I have not yet touched 100K subscribers. Okay, I haven't like no even silver button on my channel, though every forecast, everything that I discuss is 100% correct. So I like it is like no doubt I can analyze the markets, I do everything, but like this YouTube thing is beyond my reach. I don't understand why. Like literally it's beyond my mental reach. Why it is not promoting? Maybe you guys are not sharing it with your friends or colleagues. So on this Sunday, what I said on this Sunday, this very simple, like see, this was like even a child can. Here just see, there was this divergence, there was this double bottom, literally the simplest trading system. And obviously this is the 61.8% retracement here, see, and 61.8% retracement comes right here at around 4190, but even if I round it up it will come, I will say 4200. So simple. On the H4, if I say last week little bit right here, I got a bit seller right here for around, but not for a holding position, just for 150 pips. I don't exactly remember that place, if it was right here or maybe on this tiny move it was on 5th of November. It was then Wednesday, I guess. But still it was enough to give me 150 pips. And then this trade that I gave, let me show you it on the H1. There was this trade on Thursday. On Thursday there was this trade. $39.70 was the call to buy right here on 6th of November 2025. How beautiful and fantastic trade opportunity it was. But as I said, I'm not sure why my videos doesn't reach to thousands and thousands of people. It just reached to 200 people, and out of those 200 people only 10 to 20 traders message me on the WhatsApp that hey, we took this particular opportunity. So this one on Thursday, and then right on Friday, if you see the Friday's stream, what I said this 39.85 was the level, and see, the market just touched it and it skyrocketed, just touch it and skyrocketed. So why? Whatever I say, why it happens? Some people are even not able to believe themselves that how this person is like saying something and then that happens. And even this thing I said as well, and even right here this one got completed as well. 39.80, sorry, 4080, yes, 4080. So this one has got completed. Now just count the number of pips. Okay, 1612, this one, then this one, then Even this one I discussed as well. 651, this one. So can you let me know why my videos are not reaching to a vast majority of the traders? What I am doing wrong? Because now this is going a little bit of serious thing for me, because I am at a point where I need to decide I need to quit this YouTube channel. Like I need to stop doing these videos. I have not yet decided, but I think I get a little bit of demotivated as well. That why this YouTube thing is not, is my channel freezed or something? Because channels get freezed. I was like in 2021 maybe, from 2020 till 2021 a little bit not more active on this channel. So during that time, since then the channel is sort of like a stuck. It just reached to hardly 400 peoples. So this is a little bit struggle I'm going on with. Okay. Let me head over to your chat first of all. Volnez, Volvic, 777. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome. Please have a seat in my live stream. Sell first and buys on, okay. Around maybe 41.30. See a reaction. Let's see. I will be analyzing the markets. I will be trying to trade as well, okay. What do you think? You are 7 watching still right now. 7 watching and just 3 likes. I mean, this is how you give respect to your friend out there sitting right here in this part of the world. It demotivates me a little bit, okay? But anyways, I'm not going to stop, okay? I will be keep doing these videos. Even, see, like, I look at it this way. Those who are supposed to get benefit from my videos, they will get it. Those who are not supposed to take benefit from my videos, they will forever will not be able to discover my channel at all. So I will be looking at the gold, okay, as well as the euro dollar as well. Now you know most of the traders right now are selling this market right here, okay. In the morning I did sell as well. I took that sell right here, then it go good in my favor for around 100 pips, but like my target was right here. My target was big. So then when it was going up, I left the trade with break even. Then I again took a little trade right here, and I think I get around 80 pips of an SL on that as well. So I also remember that see right here it is. Let me show you that on the 1 minute. This is that first trade. It go nicely in my favor, then close at break even. Then I took this sell right here, was giving me good again 60 pips, but I said okay, I want to book more. So these two mistakes I did today, though overall I still see it is dropping, but right here let me hide these trade levels. But the thing is right here, if I tell you, I violated my rules a little bit, okay. I did what? rule violation. Let me remove this watch. Is remove the right word for it, or now it's good. I write here violated the rules, or discipline break, I should say. What is the spelling of discipline? Discipline break. That caused me negative 80 pips today. Okay, but it is like a piece of cake for me. I can book it again, but now I am live. When I am live, I try to not break the discipline, okay? Because obviously I have, like, see it this way. I'm telling you to not break the discipline, and breaking a discipline myself will mean, like, just understand it. That's not good. So when I am live, I like no compromise on the strategy. No compromise. When I'm live and when I am giving a setup to the um, uh, friend, let's say, or VIP member, or sharing it in the group, now my friend, then I don't break the discipline. But sometimes when I'm alone, discipline do get break sometimes, okay? So that caused me 80 pips of negative, and maybe that other friend of mine must be laughing at me that he just told yesterday not to focus on a sell, and he booked an 80 pips of a loss. And this is a very good lesson for all of you as well, okay? Never ever break the discipline. So yes, my friends, we will be not in a rush, okay? No rush at all. If I tell you this market right now is standing at a sell point, even right now it is standing at a sell point, but my strategy suggests that, since, like, if this strategy could speak to me, let's say, what the strategy tells me, we have to also decode that then, so that we know we are not going against our strategy. Can you see the writings? Let me quickly check, okay guys? Good, but I'm not sure if you can see the writing or not. Just one moment, okay? Okay, that's great, you can see. So I was saying strategy. What, like, my strategy says, on Sunday, and even before that, last week, from when was the last week started? Not this week, the last week. Last week started on 3rd November. Pay very close attention and understand this. This strategy tells me from 3rd November it gave us a bullish opportunity. Transparently, I communicated it to all of you. Okay, I personally traded it, I shared it with my members as well. And I also transparently told you that I'm not like others, okay? I'm not like others that, hey, see, this is a big drop, this is a good double top up there. See, guys, I booked this much profit. No, my friend. If I said I'm not on a sell, I am not on a sell, and I didn't trade it, okay? So from 3rd November, we get bullish. Do I need to go into the details of that, why I became bullish? Because literally all of the live streams are present. The recorded videos are there. You can check it out. Okay, so for now I don't want to go into the details of that. If you are new to my live stream, just stay with me. I definitely will be discussing it, but first I want to convey this message, then we have to find out trade opportunity for ourselves that we can trade. So this strategy, on the basis of this, we have got, and a moment ago I have shown you that different buying opportunities were expected. So I was looking at 84080 till yesterday, and since yesterday I am not holding anything. There was one good valid opportunity. I discussed it with my member as well on Zoom as well. But I also didn't take that one, and I also tell him that maybe we may get it, we may not get it. So the setup then was good, but he also couldn't trade it. I also couldn't trade it. Okay, we were not interested in it. So this strategy says that this is now bullish from 3rd November. And all the way several times from 38.84 towards 38.84 towards 40.80. This was a bullish trade, and my strategy gave it. Now my strategy says enter at a 61.8% retracement. This is 61.8 is right here 41.90. The first thing. The second thing is, no doubt it must be a very good resistance zone and it can drop. And even yesterday in the video what I said, we, as per this strategy, I'm not saying it, okay, the strategy tells us that give one move to the market. And there is a very good logic behind it. What is that logic? For example, I made profits from right here, profits from right here, right here, right here, till here, okay? And I take a sell right now, and if it go against me, I will be stopped out. But if I take this sell, I cannot focus on further buying, because the strategy tells us for further corrections, and on each and every correction take a buy. Okay, so today most probably, if I tell you and if I simplify it everything, again I might not be buying inside this zone. Okay, no doubt it will be a nice 4200 up move towards 4200. But now my friend, I am not taking it, and no doubt it will be a good selling point. I can sell, okay, but I have to find out a good level for myself as well to enter as a bull, and only I will be selling if there is enough confirmation with me. So at the moment there is no confirmation, so I don't trade it. Maybe what can be that confirmation? Just stay with me, we will be trading it together. Okay, how I am going to look at it, we will be discussing that. Now coming on to your chat. First of all, you guys tell me why you are so silent. It was a very beautiful morning today right here, and let me tell you about something about my schedule. So I wake up this morning around 7 a.m. I missed the morning prayers. Unfortunately, bad luck for me, because yeah. So then I drop my kids, then I go to the park, and then I have walk there. Then I come back home. I had breakfast. After the breakfast, some meetings, and I was thinking about this, that this YouTube is not pushing my videos. Why? I mean, literally, just look at it. See, big moves I have identified for everyone, and not just on the gold US dollar, even on the euro US dollar. See, even on the euro US dollar, I gave this good move. I mean, this good setup, not move. This, even if this, before this, on 3rd of October, I said this is now going to break, and it did. And this ABCD I have spotted, and then in the weekly forex forecast I said last week, okay, that this is now going back up. Let's see, 1 2, so 1 2 3, previous Wednesday, this is Monday, previous, like this is 3rd November, this is 4th November, the point D hit, and right after the point D hit, the market continues straight up. Not even this much of a mistake in it. But still I wonder why, like I was thinking, why this YouTube has any grudges against me, or like what? Like, what is that one problem going on, so that I identify, so that once I identify it, that I can solve. Literally, I tried to become a friend right here, to be a friend. I literally shared everything about myself as well on the channel. No one is going to share. No one is going to tell in the live stream that, hey guys, today I'm having a little bit bad stomach. No one is going to tell in the live stream that, hey guys, today I have a little bit less sleep. No one tells in the live stream that, hey guys, today before the stream I had a little bit of a discipline break, and I I booked an 80 pips of an SL. No one tells this. So is this honesty that is not letting my channel go further? Or after all, what is this? I'm a little bit stuck in it. You guys can help me. And one request I have, please don't sit right here in the chat, okay? Because literally, if you guys sit very silent in the chat, I will literally cry right here in front of you. Say something, write something right here, right now, write something, or I will start crying just like a baby. Just write something. Come on, let me know, where are you watching me from? Who are you? How much experience do you have in forex trading? I decoded myself in front of you right here. Hey there, okay, this is my strategy, this is how I look at the market. And you guys just don't give me even one single comment right here that we are watching you from here. This is, can't you just a little bit keep me engaged in the comments as well, so that I don't get bored? Or does I have to speak in the live streams? Are you getting my point? Please, there's a request, okay? Or is the YouTube telling you not to respond? So my friend, the thing is, okay, jokes apart, we are, we are friends, okay? Sometimes there will be jokes, sometimes I will be like, I need to express myself to you, okay? I consider all of you my friends, just like I talk to my real friend right here face to face. I consider all of you as that. I have no intention to generate sales or something from you, or to sell you something. that fancy strategies or stuff like that. I purely follow just ABCD pattern. Okay, and this is, yes, this is it. And I clearly gave the candlestick readings and literally everything I discuss about the market transparently. Yes. So what I think about this gold now is we have got what happened. Okay, we have got a very good wave. Okay, first let's see the yesterday's candle. The yesterday's candle, and just like that other day, what I said is, first let me see your comment. Do you have any comments right here? Yo Pino Toro, you doing great analysis, bro. Well, thank you, dear. Thank you. You made my day. Okay. Ryden Morgan, my dear friend, how are you doing after so long? I'm seeing you right here in the live streams. Hi, Aftab, you're a young gentleman for many years, but you have shared a super strategy. Keep up the great work. Wow. Ryden, you made my day, literally. Total inspection. Hello from Kenya. I watch alongside my son and he prefers the FVG fair value gap and order blocks to the ABCD strategy. Maybe the age trading is affecting the subscription rate. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. Maybe it can be the age factor. You know, I have when I see the audience, I have audience from 24 years till half of the audience from 34 years till 35 years. Then from 35 to 44, I have 30, maybe 35% of that audience, and the rest is above that, and little bit the to the and mostly are the men. So 1% are only the females. So yes, age can be a factor, but you know, I when I say, see, like this is, first of all, I know you trust me, that's why you are here with me. I'm not proving myself. By now you should understand this, that I'm not proving myself, but I'm just asking myself one question, that when everyone is get confused and when I say this is the strategy and this is the market going this way, and when it go that way, and it did not happen just this week, every month, every forecast, like if you right now see even this previous year, even the euro dollar, if I tell you, I'm not going too far, okay, just even this year, if I say, even at the start of the year, from right here, I'm keep saying it is bullish back to 1.19. Simple. A to B, then B to C, and right here from the start of the year, this was the. So the thing is, when I look at the performance of this strategy that it gives, and when I see the traders out there who say, oh, we have lost this much, this much, this much, this much, then I think, okay, I need to work on the psychology of the traders. Then I start working on the psychology of the traders, bringing psychology lessons and all that. Then I see those videos are also not performing very nicely. So now I think I should come only live. Whatever I see, I will trade, and whatever I need to send the message, only those will get who are live with me. So maybe this is the right solution with me. Other than this YouTube algorithm is beyond my reach. Yes, one thing I know, that if I properly edit my videos and if I properly do a very fast pace episode, fast pace and false hopes and a complete hype creation and a complete uh, uh, different style of a thumbnail, then it will reach to. But I just accept the reality. Let it be how whatever it be. Everything is going to be, see, from 100,000 good from her 100,000 hyped subscribers, I will prefer only 20 live viewers who really trust the system and method and who really appreciate my hard work and all that stuff. Okay, plus I will get this chance that in the live streams, uh, uh, I can feel there's that dopamine rush as well, because I feel that I'm talking to friends. Yes, so I feel that. Now, since today is also holiday in the US, so Wall Street and New York Stock Exchange will be mostly very less volume. So I think maybe, even if, let's say, if we say a drop is coming, the actual drop, and that actual drop will be way too down the proper buying position. But since I have told you that I am not interested in this buy at all, maybe on the 1 minute as a scalping with 50 pips or 30 pips, if it gives me this breakout, I can right here trade with all of you. Other than that, I'm not trading it. The other thing is, since I know this is, see, we have like a previous change of character area. This is previous change of character. Choch. Choch. This is previous change of character area, and right here the market is standing. But I will say one thing. Well, the market makers are not aware that most of the traders are going to take a sell trade right here. So don't you think there will be false breakouts? Well, I am even if I sell, I will be afraid of it, because on the chart it may seem a small zone, but if I measure it properly, it is how much pips of a move? 548 pips of a move it can be. So this is way too big. 548 pips as an intraday trader. If I keep selling from right here, it will be stopping me out, it will be stopping me out. So 500 pips, again, that can be too much, right? So I say, okay, I just don't focus on the sell for now. I either wait for a breakout and then enter on the lower time frames. Now let's switch to the H1. Let's read, okay, let's read the candles a little bit. You know, I rely on candles reading a lot. So right here, what is this candle telling us? This one. This is no doubt a sell candle. But now we have to ask ourselves, okay, if let's say we are going to sell right here, is this sell confirmed? Well, I would say if it was a bearish engulfing as this, I would say okay now, and even if this candle closes as this, let's say, so this is as bullish and this is as bearish. If this was a engulfing candle, I would say okay, now big sellers are taking part in it. But what actually happened right here, this candle respected the previous one's low. With low volume, the market came down and it go back up, and perhaps that's one reason I also closed that position, and I accepted with happiness that 80 pips of a stop loss. Now coming on to the H1. On the H1, what I'm looking at is there is some, let me hide this trading area for now. Okay, let me also make it a little bit smaller so we get plenty of area on the chart here. Well, like, oops, we can right here, if you see, if I tell you, see this one as this, even if we are going to sell, that sell can be below this on proper confirmation, but there is no proper confirmation on the H1, 1 2, and this is the third hour, and 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8. From 8 hours this is in a consolidation zone, So what is their intention? What these candles are telling us? This candle is telling us indecision. This little bullishness. This is yet open, so we don't know how it closes. Okay, so now switch to the 30-minute and we have to see this candlesticks a little bit on the 30 minutes as well. Same is going on the 30 minutes as well. Then if we see it on the 15-minute, on the 15-minute there will be something else going on. See, a big block right here of indecision, a big indecision. Now I will say let's read the market. Even if we start reading this market all the way from just from right here, even see we have got breakout of this level. This was a 4030 on Friday. This level hit. Okay, so breakout, a retest of the same level, and the market continue. Similarly, break out of this same level and the market continue. Right, and the market continue, and it took another support from right here, because if we see right here the market consolidated for a handsome amount of time for 15-minute time frames. This I should say is a handsome data. So okay, then I say okay, we have got a retest of it, and this is that yesterday trade. Okay, I was looking at it 4070, and the actual reversal occurred from 407, maybe 3 or 74. And there is a logic behind this as well, same candlestick pattern, but not me, not my friends, no one took it. Okay, no one took it, because in the real time yesterday the candle was yet open, the daily one, and we also avoided the sell, but we also didn't trade it, this one. Okay, so after that it continued bullish, and there is like literally no Fibonacci. I rely on the Fibonacci most of the times, all of the times, not most, all of the times. Then if I see, okay, there is this one Fibonacci number I have from right here, and even there is also maybe a not a complete 61.8% retracement, but yes, if it continues as this will be that intraday area. This will be that intraday area. But the thing is, since the buying level was this, if I enter now, I will be already entering 200 pips late. So what's next? Switch to the 5-minute, and yes, on the 5-minute we can get plenty of opportunity today, most probably, because we have got also a very good and fantastic trend right here. So this is that trend. Okay, this one. But I must say, still, like for scalping or stuff like that, I think, or intraday, 41.22 can be a good level to be looked for, around 100 pips of a profit. Let's see, we will be trading it. Okay, so I will be patiently waiting for it. No hype, just patiently waiting. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Saifullah. From Peshawar. Thank you. You have a very good Peshawar Sabzi Mandi with Saifullah. Okay. So this is okay. This is okay. Saifullah, what is the cost of banana in the sabzi mandi? Here they in my area they charge 200 for 1 dozen. Let's bring it back. Okay, so no selling, yes. Yes, thank you. Saifullah, thank you. Jacob Abraham, my dear friend, US today bank holiday, is that effect? Yes, it can affect the market, Jacob, my brother. It can definitely affect the market. How? By just giving us less volume. Okay, by just giving us less volume. FVG, fair value gap. Let's see what is pound doing. Same I said about it. This whole entry I gave from right here. This and then this. Maybe a little bit of a pullback can occur. Back to this level 1.3496. With this be a good support with us. You know, most of the traders are like uh, saying what they are saying like most of the humans, I should say, not the people. We just look at the other people. For example, today when I was going to pick my kids from school, and every day I go to pick my kids from school, not just today. So if I see on the road there will be like cars of 50,000 US dollars worth or price, and there will be uh, cars of $5,000 worth. So for example, if I say that okay, I just give me one moment, want to fix it. Wow, just give me one moment. So if I say, okay, that other person is driving a 50,000 car and I am just driving a 5k car and I get sad, what will happen? Can you guess? I will send a frequency in this whole universe that Aftab is sad. And literally every sad event, every sad moment, everything in the world that can make me sad will be like I will be attracting that to myself. Why? Because I am thinking this in my own mind. Right? So we don't have to look at other people's success or something, that okay, that person is making this much and why I didn't make this much, etc. Let's see, I can also sell. Okay, I can also sell, but I need obviously a confirmation below this, below 41.22. If I get an H1 candle close, then later we can decide to sell the market. Otherwise, quick scalpings using my own strategy I can do right now with all of you on the 1 minute. But the thing is, we should wait a little bit. Okay, see, the brave person is the one who say, okay, I made profit till 4080, now I have nothing. Otherwise, this was a very classic sign of a breakout or retest. Yesterday what was happening, let me discuss that. Right here, when this market was right here, I was discussing it with my friend. Then this breakout and a retest occurred and it was confirmed on the H4. So well, yes, today it can be, yes, got it. Okay, see, when you wait for the market, opportunities start to unfold itself in front of us. This is this that I need to ideally see. Okay, I don't want to focus on this, I don't want to focus on this. I just want to see price back on 4100, and 4100 can be a good level to be looked for buying as an intraday trader, not a big holding level maybe. But as per the ABCD, it will then be pointing us this. It will be pointing us this on the H4. But what, let me tell you, if this H4 candle come back down to 4100 and it is coming back down, I can sense that drop. And if it closes as this right here, then my friend, we will have a very good bearish engulfing in this case. I will be a little bit cautious right here. So let's see. If I can get a chance, I can take a counter trend trade. If there is divergence, then yes, I can trade. Yes, there is big divergence right here. So I have to only take a risk of 157 pips and the profit can be 321 pips. So good. But what I need to look for further is Let's see how this market behave right here. 4132. Then I can decide something. Otherwise 4100 and this level can immediately give me around 260 pips, but maybe I will just hardly be getting 150 pips. You know my nature. I don't put big like I have no big greed. I just am happy with 150 pips per session. On the 1 minute, since it is a scalping one today, it can continue down. Okay, so let's see, if I take this trade 47 pips, it will be let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close in 4 minutes, then we see. Okay, this one, then we can see a further 312 pips of a drop, then 521 pips of a drop back to 4080, but 4100 seems like it makes very good sense to me. Let me fix this, why it is not. Okay, the color has changed. Now when I click on this fill, oh, it disappears. See, like the candles, sorry, the levels also do play very nice role. Okay, look at this structure, look at this structure, breakout, retest. This is that retest level. This is rejection. We are looking at it on the 15-minute. So this level at least should give 200 pips, and out of this 200 pips I can easily grab 150 pips as a my intraday profit right here. But I'm telling you, if I focus on this sell, the chances are I may not be able to focus on this buy. I give one move to the market. So how this whole story unfolds, we have to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. We have still 3 minutes. Okay, till then I will read your chat. Given in my description. Walaikum assalam, Amar Sajid. My WhatsApp is given in my description, those who want to ask me. And one more thing, my friends, if a big drop is going to come, that will be coming back to take a retest near 4040, somewhere 4020. But we may see some less volume today. So yes. Yes, my friend. This is a very tight stop loss. Okay, proper stop loss will be above here if I'm looking for this much take profit. So the take profit will be 269 in this case, and the stop loss will be 75 pips. Candle closed on the, and this is M15 trade. Okay, not very fancy. It can just in the next candle it can stop me out with again 75 pips of a stop loss. Candle by candle, let's read it on the 1 minute. Oh, on the 1 minute it has established again a divergence. $41.38, then it can be. Like literally everyone right now is looking to sell the market. So if everyone is looking to sell the market, then yes, obviously market makers know that the stop loss is above there. So that is one drawback of this sell trade. Otherwise on the 15 minute it is a confirmed one. You know, this is like we need to understand it this way. If a stop loss is supposed to be gone, it's supposed to be gone. But I should be clear enough that okay, if I take a trade, I take a sell trade right here, because this zone is for a sell, not for a buy. Simple. Though I did a little bit mistake because my strategy suggests to wait for a drop and then take a buy. Okay, this is my strategy suggests, so I go a little bit traditional way today, a little bit. Let's wait for this RSI to go above and let it hit this area. There is complete confusion going on, okay, in the market. Just give me one moment, I'll be right back. So now one more thing if I tell you, and that will be if I get this candle as a let me delete this first. If I get this candle closes above this as an engulfing candle or a bullish one, then I might be closing this deal manually. Because on the 15-minute 5-minute this is still holding, it is not yet broken. But if I look at these candles, since this is 5 minutes, so it can easily be stopping me out. But the thing is, this is how it is. I mean, this is just a very small position, not too fancy stuff. And on the RSI there is plenty of room. So let's see if I'm stopped out what I'm going to do next. And then obviously every day these markets then gives us lessons as well. If I'm stopped out today, I already want to tell you the lesson will be why I go against the strategy. Why my pen is not writing? Wow. Surprisingly, the pen is also not writing. I think this black template is a little bit heavy for my computer. Let me quickly check the stream as well. We still have 6 minutes left. There's a consolidation zone, so in this consolidation zone we will know that okay how this market can play further. But at least till now so far on the 1 minute it is bullish, and potentially with one big candle it can stop me out. And even if it come back down again from right here, it will become bullish against me. So yes, let's see. Bye Royden Morgan, bye bye, have a very good day, or good yes, good day. This is morning there, I guess. It is 6:10 p.m. by the way, evening. No, my friend, this is now very other stuff going on right here. RSI got bullish, but market is very slow. Market is literally very slow. Let me till then fix this pen why it is not writing. Let's see why it is not writing. Still we have 3 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. Remember, if that close is bullish, the next candle can potentially come back down till here and continue from right here. So let's see, then maybe I can, with 18 pips I can take 40 pips of a buy then. But I'm not chasing, okay, I'm just explaining stuff right here. No, it's not going to survive, I don't think so. Two minutes left. In 2 minutes we will know that okay, what is happening, what is going to happen. One minute further left. That's why I added a very small position. Look at this, RSI is very at a good place. But the thing is, on the 1 minute we have seen a breakout and it can retest. It is showing us this. But okay, let's see the 15-minute candle. My friend, I think this is bullish, but not a bullish engulfing. But and maybe this candle come back down till here and then continue back up. At least it should give me a chance to leave the market maybe at break even. Yes, this much it should give me. So how much time does that take? We will see. You know why it is happening? Because the traders are looking at this. See this they are looking for. Oops, what happened to the chart? Wow. This is what's happening. This is that yesterday candle. This one. Right here I was looking for buy right here. It reverses from here. But let's see. I don't like this MT5 at all. Let's delete everything. Because when the bulls are looking at this zone of 4200, that is why sellers are a little bit not taking part right here. So yes, then if a breakout occurs from right here, this whole zone of 473 pips can be ours. And there is currently this ABCD present in the market. This one. And this is 212 pips. I just took a wrong trade. Yes, I took a very wrong trade of. I could easily got 210 pips from this particular one, but no problem. No problem, my friends. This is a good example. If we go against the strategy, this is going to happen to us. Stop loss hit. Yes, stop loss will be hit if we go against our rules. That doesn't depend if a trader is 9 years of experience, 10 years of experience, or 20 years of experience. If one go against the strategy, this market is going to punish them. Okay, now if it drops, that will be purely like a miracle, I should say. I have now no good hopes from this particular trade. It will be hitting its SL for sure. And if it drops, that will be purely like maybe something else. Okay, in next 10 minutes, compared to this volume, a little bit high volume is expected. Now here is that psychology. Let's suppose even, and it happens to everyone, let's suppose even if it come back down till here near break even, Now I know that this is a buying zone, but I will say no, okay, it can drop a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and it will continue back up. And when it will be again right here, I'll be saying it was very nicely near my break even point, so why I just focused on selling. Most of the time it has happened to me, most of the time. Okay, but maybe not today. Today it is just straight going up, straight. And right here we were being fooled by, not we, because I took this trade, not you, by that M15 candle. So I have to see it further, that okay, see this candle. One thing I hate about trading about MT4 is it doesn't show us good levels. So 41.55 is the accurate level that it can touch, and even if you see right here, there is still a good zone with us right here. You see, even if we see these wicks right here and right here, market can fill this gap. Yes, almost gone. So this is the last trade I'm taking for the day. If it also stops out, I'm not trading further. Okay. This one now makes good sense, but the thing is, if big volume comes, it will be stopping us out. But if it continue, it will be going around 493 pips. And there is a lot of liquidity up there as well, so I can leave this trade overnight. Okay, my stop is 192. Wow, 192 pips is also not a random stop loss. I'm taking a pretty much handsome risk right here, because I think with this much stop loss it is a little bit more risky to me. So this one makes very good sense, and even if it break above this, it is going to continue further high. That high can be till tomorrow. And remember, in this live stream I'm sharing my own trades. Okay, I don't tell anyone to buy or to sell. In the corner you can see this is for complete educational purposes. It can take another dip as this and then continue bullish. Then it can come back down, take a support from here and then continue bullish. Or if this is a sell story, then that drop and further 200 pips will be gone. But I think being a forex trader, we have to take a risk. This setup seems very promising to me, and that's why I'm holding it. This 400 pips. Okay, see, here is the logic. When we enter into the market, when I started the live stream, I had no good idea where this market is going, what it's doing further. Now I'm start getting a little bit idea of today's market. But there is a lot of liquidity right here as well, right here as well, and in next 3 minutes a big volume is also expected. So then we have to see that, okay, how this whole thing goes. What is this euro doing? Euro is also near that zone. Okay, volume, well, volume is also a good concept right here. But when you understand the candles, then volume doesn't matter that much. Market is literally very slow. Okay, let me switch to the 1 minute so that I see uh, how the sellers are going to, like, usually at this time big volume comes in normal days, but today is veteran day in the US and there is a public holiday as well, so most main markets are closed. But my friends, even if the markets are closed, everyone has access to their own trading platforms as well. But the thing is, big orders cannot be processed because the banks are closed there. So the NY session is completely open. It can either go skyrocketed, it can go down, it can do anything. But the thing is, most of liquidity right now is up there. Okay, not down here, because most of the traders, most, like literally 99% of the trader is selling right now. It has slowed down there. No big volume expected, observed. Let's wait for 1 or 2 further minutes and then we see, okay, after all, what we get. I got hungry. What can I possibly eat at this time? Maybe tea. What do you say, tea? Tell me, how is the weather in your side? It is around 14 degrees Celsius right here. This morning I tell my son to wear the sweater. He refused. He said, "No, it's not. I don't get cold or anything." I said, "Son, please wear this," but he still refused. Tomorrow I have to convince him to have a sweater when he go to school. Later he can um, remove it later, because later it gets around 22 degrees Celsius. I also have trouble having walk in the park because I have my other son, the little son I have. So since the weather is getting colder, so I have, like, I take a little bit care so that they don't get ill. Let me show you the picture of my son, my little son. He doesn't go to school yet. In this region of our of the world, school is considered to be like a punishment to the kids. Like, they consider it as punishment. So luckily my daughter is doing good. My other son is also doing good, but this son, who is 6 years of age, he say that okay, he want to spend 1 year further at home. Later the rest of the day we will be studying and university and college and this and that. So in some way I want to convince him that no, school is not a punishment. This is like, when we come to this world, we have to learn. Let me show you if the webcam can pick it or not. This is him. See? He is 6 years. Oh, very clever he is. Oh, very clever. Did I show you those pictures where I, in this previous summer, when I go to for camping? That was good too. I will share them with you one day. Today was a good day for that because it was anyways a bit slow. Well, in terms of pips, I think it is not slow. Okay, it's normal. It's good. 18 pips it is giving me, and I want to add one more position because now my prediction seems good. Okay, maybe above this level I will be adding one more position above this. Because look at these candles, see? And even this is not yet completed. See this one and this one. So 4167 is also another level, and even that is 250 pips away from here. I think there is a good chance for further buy. Oh, look at this sparrow. Baby of a sparrow just accidentally came into my room. There is that air conditioner hole where they made their nest. So from there it dropped to my room. Look at my kitten. One of my kitten died in August, and two of my kittens, they are lost. I literally searched the whole surroundings. I couldn't find them. And I have left only with this one. This cute tiny baby. Can you see? Oh, maybe not. Tomorrow I will download them to my PC, then I will be time to time sharing these moments with you. See, I have told you, I'm not like doing it like others very commercially. Now, my friends, what will I get if I do it very commercially? Nothing. I don't want to sell you anything. I don't want to um, promote anything right here. So why would I be sounding like a big mentor or sounding like someone who knows more things? No. I just want to come here so that I can have chit chat just like with my friends, because if I tell you, I have no, like, I have a very small circle of friends. Okay. I don't need to prove myself. I don't need to prove my strategy. I don't need to prove my trading style. I just come here. If someone needs my help, it will be available. Aftab will be available for help. And this is the reason I opened this YouTube channel as well. But I'm a little bit facing this stuck situation on the YouTube. I'm still not sure why these videos are not reaching to. Like, literally, people can make thousands and thousands of dollars from these moves, but still they are not reaching. And why is it this? I have a friend who paid me $400 in this previous August. Maybe he's silently watching me, I'm not sure. I gave him such setups that if he traded all of them, they trader the lot that I know that that person trades, that person would have made more than 100,000 or 150k, like 150k USD, 150,000 I should say dollars. But even despite of paying me, that person couldn't believe me. It's prayer call, so I would like to observe a little bit of silence. Sorry, I couldn't teach any concept today. I'm a bit headache, as I said, the weather change, so a bit headache. Oh, my friend, let me tell you one thing. It's a pray call, so after this, I will tell you this. Allahu Akbar. Okay, I was saying if right here, if we see, and if I tell you, if this candle closes bigger than this one, it will mean a very strong bullish signal. This H1 candle, okay. The, the situation will look something as this. You can understand this pattern. Just understand it, okay. Once you understand it, you will be able to identify these patterns later, and later it will be helping you. So this is a sell candle, and the next candle came down, retested the low of the previous one and continue bullish. And if it closes as this, what will it mean? This is what we call classic bullish engulfing pattern. Classic bullish engulfing pattern, this one, okay. Understand it. If this candle closes as this, then let's say if one buy from right here, the next candle can come back down again till this zone, and as far as this low is not taken over, even the next candle, if close bearish, after this the other candle can again continue bullish. Understand it, okay, as this. And indicating a break out. So let's wait for it, for this candle, that how it closes. It can tell us something good about the market, that okay, what further is going to happen. So what further is going to happen, that will be easy, because then we will have this candle close as well. That will be easy for us to say something. Understand that okay, finally, then finally we will be able to say that okay, now we are in a situation where it can continue further bullish. But even right here, if I say, seems like this whole area is going to be taken over by this candle. And one more thing I want to tell you, this candle, you see this one, this whole is a bullish engulfing pattern right here, this one, not just this one candle. If we combine if we look the market with this whole, I will try to do a separate session one day on the candlestick patterns. There are a lot I have mastered in my 9 years. This whole, see, when we combine this data, both becomes this one and this one, both becomes a bullish engulfing pattern. But this is not basic, okay? There are some other technical terms for this as well, but I say advanced bullish engulfing, or we can say multi-candle engulfing pattern. There is nothing in the name, okay? Nothing in the name. Multi-candlestick engulfing pattern, because here it involves one, it involves two. So let's see from where I'm going to add more positions as a bull, because I obviously, if I'm adding risk, I have to study the market. Let me head over to your chat. If there is any, try to ask me questions, okay? Try to talk to me, don't let me bore, or if I get bored, I will like why I'm speaking right here, why? Because anyways the trade I'm holding, so why I'm speaking? Because for you, for example, you can ask me, we already know about the bullish engulfing candle, then I will not be discussing it. I will know that okay, my audience are good enough, they understand the bullish candle already, so I don't need to explain it. At least I will. But then the thing is, I have to explain the market for all of you, because I don't know how many of you understand the candlesticks and how many of you don't understand it. So yes, my friends, from my side I see I do my 100%, okay, and rest, it's up to you. If you adopt it, is in your own advantage. But I think I don't see big input. Even if my video 200 people watch it, only 20 messages on a WhatsApp I get. Hey Aftab, we traded this and we made money. I say congratulations. I become a little bit happy that okay, someone understood the strategy and someone is really like it's my strategy is bringing change in someone's life. But then I also say why these other 200s, those 180? Out of 100, only 10 audience or 10 viewers take the good trade, otherwise they remain on the sell. Literally I can tell you 95% of the trader, day trader and position trader is holding a sell right now and is sitting in a sell trade. But why? I mean, why is this stop loss concept present? And even why would someone be selling? Didn't you see my forecast on Sunday? Do you want I can play it for you? Come ask me in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you want I can play the Sunday session for you what I said. Amarnath Yadav, my friend, welcome. अमरनाथ नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते. कैसे आना हुआ स्ट्रीम पे? आप तो खामोश खामोश जो हैं तो बैठे रहते हैं, एंड यू डोंट से You don't chat much, but anyways, I do my level best from my side. So literally everyone these days is holding a sell, and the accounts are being washed away by these market makers. But I say why? Again, I want to draw your attention to this thing. Why? WHY. WHY. We used to, when I was a child, there was like, English is not our native language, so in the English class, usually we would say A for apple, B for ball. So I'm asking you, WHY. If one is trying, like, still holding sell position, so I will say WHY. I have to behave a little bit as a child then. See, anyone who is holding sell positions from right here, I will say WHY. And I mean, if one is having like 100,000 of a dollar and is just 5k in negative right here, then for them it's okay. But of $5,000 someone if still holding, then I think that's not a good idea. The moment we understand that okay, today is not my day, for example, this market is open, this trade is open, and as far as I am in this trade, there will be a chance I can further lose 192 pips. So 80 from that morning trade, which I was not live, but I took it. Then 192, this one can take it from me. And how much was that other trade? Around 100 pips was that as well, in the live stream that got hit on the sell. But at least I followed something. So if this is hit, the moment I execute a trade, the moment I say it's now gone from my hands, it can literally do anything to me and I will have no regrets at all. Why would I have regrets? Because I know that the profits that it gave all the way from down there, this 192 pips is nothing in front of that 2500 profitable move that it gave, right? So look at it this way. Now my whole focus is on this H1. I will be explaining, okay, I will be explaining this bullish engulfing, and then this bullish engulfing can be a false one as well. I'm not saying it will be a 100% winning candle, but at least we will have something to analyze. Clear? Something to analyze. Let me look at your chat quickly. Good. Don't hesitate to give me a super chat, okay? If anyone wants to give me, don't hesitate. Try to show your complete input on this channel in the form of liking the video, sharing the video, and if you can give me a super chat as well. It's up to you. It can be a donation to the channel, it can be anything, because look at the value. Try to ask yourself, if you are not getting value on the channel, then obviously that's something else. But you have to ask yourself this, am I getting any value on this channel or not? If you get the answer as yes, then You can share, you can click the thumbs up button, and if you can super chat as well. Like, this is just a piece of motivation, feedback for the mentor, nothing much, right? And if you think Aftab will be too much rich, let me tell you, I'm not too much rich, okay? Because I sell honesty. I don't sell hype. I sell honesty. My every forecast, my every analysis, everything is present on my channel. I sell honesty. What I have earned from Forex, obviously, I have bought a car for 5k. I have bought a house, and yes, 5k car is 5k may seems less to you, but this is like I'm happy with that. Okay, if I say no, I have to buy a 50k 50,000 car, maybe Revo right here, a new model Revo, and I have to work day and night for a Revo. So is that Revo is good for me, or my peace of mind is good for me? Once upon a time there was a person um, fishing beside the river. I'm against fishing, okay, but this is an example. This is a story I have heard somewhere. So once upon a time a man was fishing near the pond side, near the river. So he was very patiently just fishing and nicely. Every day he come there, he try to fish, and one day a businessman was passing by him. He said, "Oh, oh, young man, you are so young and you are fishing right here from every day morning till the evening." He said, "What should I do?" The businessman said, "You can start a business." Then the old man say, "Okay, what will happen if I start the business?" The businessman said, "You will earn money." The old man say, "Okay, if I earn money, what will happen?" Then the businessman said, "You will expand your business." The old man say, "Okay, if I expand my business, what further?" The businessman said, "Then when you will have a lot of the money and a lot of the business and everything, then you will be nicely, peacefully uh, enjoying your life very peacefully and nicely, and you will be fishing by the riverside right here." So the old man said, "What I am doing right now, I'm peaceful, right? Just don't chase the money." Okay, so the candle closed, but unfortunately the candle did not closed engulfing. See, the body of this bullish candle is inside the bearish candle. So in technical terms we can say we are still going to observe a further drop again, maybe. Most probably we can see a little drop, okay, first till 41.33 right here, then we see, okay, if we get a break below, then I might be leaving the position manually, okay. Otherwise, since this impulsive wave is correct, so anyways that bullish engulfing would be a big solid confirmation for me that this is now very valid. But that little doubt still is there, okay, because that did not closed engulfing, so it again can like drop, and this time that drop can be very worse. But anyways, I have a stop loss, so I'm not worried about it. Volnis Volvic Abdi Wali Abdi, manipulation is going to about to start, maybe. but still I cannot prefer selling at this zone. Okay, if one is thinking this is a sell confirmation candle, no, this is not a sell candle. Maybe even if this candle close very slightly even right here, this, then a moment ago what I said, then it will be a multi candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing, right? Let's feel the energy. So yes, Royd and Morgan, my friend, was right. Today is a little bit sleepy, but since I might be leaving this trade overnight, okay? Since I have no meeting at this time, so maybe I can like spend a couple of more time right here. If you guys have any questions regarding the strategy, regarding anything, you are free to ask, okay? You can have chit chat right here, even other than Forex, okay? Feel yourself at home. This place is your own place. This place is your own place. This live stream is your own live stream. Yes. When I started, I was a bit low on energy. But when I talk to you, I am now full of energy. Though the trade is negative against me, but still, this is like the magic. When you are with me, I'm like completely satisfied. I'm hungry, and at home there is red beans and soup inside it. But I think, what should I eat? I'm not going to spend money on the food pan or stuff. Maybe I can have tea. You just give me one moment. I want to tell my wife if she can bring some good tea for me. Oh, that will be so good. We can have, like, we can enjoy the tea together. Just one moment, okay? I messaged on WhatsApp. Do I need to turn on the light? Oh, that is now good. I'm going to leave this position overnight. Do you guys want to see the JPY a little bit? You know, on the weekly it closed above this zone. Above which zone? Above this zone. 151. 149 was the level I gave previous time. So for me this bullish rally, but I didn't get a chance to trade it. I traded the AUDJPY. Let me show you. Or let's see, I will show you that later. There was this ABCD on the yen, and it is not yet exactly completed because the exact completion will be right here. Now let's see that on the weekly. On the weekly it should be right here. Yes, 156 right here. I'm not trading it, okay? Then the pound dollar, I have already told you what's. Oh, previous hour it moved almost 38 pips. Pound dollar 38 pips is not a random move. It is a very good move, I should say. And then the euro dollar. In this weekly forex forecast, what was my opinion? Buying from here, and there is this trend line, so we have to see if a breakout retest, then 1.17. Otherwise, from right here, I'm telling you right now, tomorrow we will be looking at it. We can observe a drop, and then from this drop it can be again a buy from right here. Rest I will be studying the daily candle, okay? Because on the daily we should get something, on the H4 we should get something if we want to become seller. Now if this candle closes as this, then this will be a bearish engulfing on the 15-minute, and this is a very classic sign of a very slow market, I should say. Yes, this is so true. Capello FX, hi my friend, welcome. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let go guys, pack forex trade line, lovely guys, I love the energy. Okay, pack forex guys, pack forex guy. Okay, so this is a spam. I'm sorry Capillo, but I have to, since you are a spam, so I have to delete your messages. Sorry, no spamming here, right? Okay. Abid Wali Abdi, Aftab, what is your favorite pairs? Gold, my friend, gold. Euro US dollar, pound dollar, but gold on the top list. Gold is my specialty. Gold, euro, US dollar. When I was a beginner, I started from euro dollar, and when I get advanced, I ended up on gold. Gold. Please don't spam right here. If you, I will need moderators right here as well for this channel, for this stream chat. I definitely will need moderators. Where are all of you gone? At least when you go, say goodbye so that I know, okay, you have gone. A moment ago you were 16 and right now you are 7. Yet we have to enjoy tea as well together. I will be bringing you such an information you haven't seen it on the entire internet. Transparent, I will be uncovering each and everything. Okay, this is just the beginning. Because seriously now I'm thinking I should stop doing the forecast videos and I should come live right here and tell you everything live right here. See what's going on. What did I say? I say this candle is going to take a retest of the previous candle. A moment ago I discussed it. During this retest, if it closes below right here, consider me out of the trade. Then I'm not further waiting. I will be leaving the position 80 pips early. But since right now the market, oh, there is good reversal right here. Well, in our capital today there is a very bad news as well. I'm I mean, you can search. There is a very bad news today. 12 innocent people are martyred in a blast. Why humans are so much thirsty for the blood of another human? Especially in this region, it's too common. In Asia, those of you who are living, watching me from the US, Canada, Europe, you are so lucky. You don't hear these news, okay? We see those countries as heaven, okay? There will be obviously some problems and some financial problems and stuff, but life standards in your countries are way too good. These Asian countries are way too forward from you, my friend. Another rejection. Other platforms like you want to ask TradingView, MT4 I have platform. Oh, means like no, brother, I have not yet started the Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and this and that. I'm a single person, and even this YouTube thing is like hardly I manage it. So I have platform, but they are not forex related, just random personal profiles, you can say. Let me see that message if they have seen or not. I'm waiting for tea, and yes, the message is seen. I'm waiting for tea, that okay, the tea will arrive right now, and later when I knew, oh, they haven't seen the message yet, so I should call them. But luckily they have seen the message. One day if I get a chance, I will shift from right here with my entire family. Three of my kids, my wife and me. And if possible, maybe my brothers too. Maybe we can move to Poland, or maybe even the poor country of Europe. Still I will prefer to live there. Amongst the 28 countries, if I get a chance. But obviously I do need a lot of money for that, and I cannot with this $978. One day, let's see, one day we should. I'm so much hopeful, and I'm a very positive person, but sometimes bad news make me sad. This is one. My tea arrived, okay? My tea arrived. Bring. Okay. Okay. So I was saying I'm a very hopeful person. Here is my tea. If you guys want to join, you are most welcome. I don't want to spell it on the. Let me put my earbuds on charge as well. There, where is the box? Oh, it's in my pocket. You know, in these traditional clothes, we have one pocket right here in the front, and one right here. See, this is the pocket, and one right here. Oh, it's blinking. Where is the charger? Is there? I don't want to leave the desk right now. Let's see if a breakout is going to happen so that I can leave the trade. If I was in New York, I would be like, my schedule. Usually evenings people spend with their family and their kids as well. So I have this problem that there in the New York it's morning, and right here it is 6 p.m. So, but on weekends I am completely like now trying to avoid the weekly forecast and everything. I have now decided every day I will come right here. Whatever I'm supposed to do, I will be doing right here in front of you, because the forecasts are not going to bring any change. Forecast videos. So if it's not going to bring any change, why shouldn't I come live right here and practice everything in front of you? If it is going to hit the SL, it will be hitting it. If it is going to, like, I want to show you the performance over a period. Okay. Okay. Manipulation started. Oh, with a big gap. There is a gap right here. So it means this move was like on the 1 minute. Have you seen? Did you see this gap? Well, no, I just want to book the loss. Okay, I don't want to close it. I want to let it go. $12 further gone. No, I didn't get a chance to trade funding challenge, but there is a good website one of my friend has referred me to. So if if I tell you I'm waiting a little bit for to save some money, at least to get their 25K. They are very good with payout, but yet I have to also find out if they operate in Pakistan or not. There is a lot of restrictions right here. a lot of the restrictions. See, this was not a bullish engulfing, right? If it was a bullish engulfing, bulls must definitely be taking it, but no, that was not the case. And since we have a lot of time left, so this candle can just continue coming down, 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 at least till for like around 40, 80 somewhere. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Crazy market today, not very good one. Tomorrow I will be trading 0.05. What do you guys suggest? Shall I come live right here every day for 2 or 3 hours and don't upload the weekly forecast, the daily forecast, and those? Do you prefer that or do you prefer the live stream? Today I didn't get a chance to share much of the knowledge because every time, every time it's not possible. But if you see the previous ones, I have discussed a lot about the candlesticks, the patterns, the strategy. So yes, sometimes I will be even today I have discussed much of the concepts. Like we discussed the bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing today, and we have seen it practically. Even this on the 5 minute is a bearish engulfing. See this one. The next one got bullish, but this, if this one closes above this, then it would be a bullish engulfing, right? This is also consolidation zone. With only 2 sips of this tea, black tea with milk, my headache is gone. And one thing, if this candle closes below this zone, this, see this 41.34, then this will not be valid. Okay, but this is still valid. As far as the market is trading above 41.24, this will be valid, but once we get a break below this zone, then this will also not be valid, and then it will be completely a selling. So then that will be a very complete sell trade. But as far as we don't get that, we cannot say much. For 41.30 is also a very key level. Yes, Abid, Abdi Wali, yes. I'm trying to focus on TikTok as well, and then Instagram. But you know, there on TikTok and Instagram, mostly there is recorded versions. So what I have seen some videos and they record a video that okay, this market is going to drop, and then actually the market drops, and they say, oh yeah, oh hooray, oh this, or that. They are mostly they are faking it to attract a very vast client base or maybe mentorship or something. So even if I'm going to do it there, I will be maybe if I get recognition there or not, because I cannot create the hype, the fake hype. I want to say this is just it is. If I'm going to stop out, I'm going to stop out in front of you. And most of the beginners, they right now, even if they say, oh, this person has been stopped out, oh, he doesn't know anything, oh, let me unsubscribe him, oh, let me just uh, uh, unlike his video, oh, do me this, do this. This is the bitter truth I have seen in this since 2016 when I'm live, when I'm on YouTube. See, sellers are trying, okay. Today, if I reflect a little bit, I did some minor mistakes. First, I focused from the morning on a sell. My strategy has told me, hey Aftab, you have made profits on a buy, just wait for another buy, let it drop. I didn't listen to the strategy. That 80 pips was gone. The second mistake again I did, and that was even live right here. That was, I took another sell. I was stopped out on that. Plus, even if I was supposed to take a sell, that sell, even if it was a good level, it would give me profit. Even if it was from right here or right here. But there was obviously some manipulation going on as well. That was another problem. Then, when my direction was good as per the strategy, the level was not as per the strategy, because way I bought right here. This is what I call, and this is what I tell others to don't do this. Sometimes I do it myself. Sometimes because I'm also a human being, you know. So I also tell people to not do this. So then when I bought right here, this buy was also not at a good zone. Even if I was going to buy, the buy would be right here. Okay, so when this was at a good buying level, I was holding a sell position, right? So you guys also try to run your self analysis, self assessment, I should say. Okay, this is at least now not happening, maybe not at least on from right here. Okay, it can, but this is active still. But now there is also no more strength left in this as well. So what instead? I simply let it drop. And I can say maybe till tomorrow a very big drop might be coming. Since you guys are from the start till now with me, I'm telling you this bigger Fibonacci, and during this week this can be 4013 and 4020. Between this zone, this is going to be that very strong, very strong bullish zone. If this is truly bullish, and it is bullish, And this zone, if it happens, it will be such a rally just like we have seen this one. Okay, so this will be as such around 2383 pips it will be, and 4250 it will be pointing to. But even if we target from there 4200, still this is much. Okay, I think it is now dropping, confirmed dropping, and just waiting for this breakout. Then if this is topped out, I will be then selling. And this is now invalid for now. So there are obviously different levels to be looked for. The buy 4080, and that will be 427 pips, and this will be 262 pips. But maybe it can spend the entire week right here. I'm not saying that. The ideal take profit level is this. But let's wait for this 408. I am waiting for it. Okay. So now this is a proper holding trade. And this candle can again go up and end up in a big spike below. This is also possible, right? This is also possible. But even on the H1, this double top is confirmed. This one, and we have seen a divergence. So now this is very nicely confirmed to the sell side. Now going, not going, that is rest of the thing. Okay, and I'm not taking this entry on the basis of my strategy. Okay, I'm also telling you this. On the basis of my strategy, this was the right trade that I could miss, that I missed today. Because I want to be transparent. From right here, 200 pips it was. Then from right here, around 130 pips it was. This sell I took on the basis of a double top strategy. Thank you, Abdiwali. Thank you. You know, such comments make my day. Such comments make my day. Soon I'm planning to make content for TikTok as well. Well, let's see if it dropped till here. This will be a very big profit. 40, even if I target 4030, 896 it can be. Wow, if that is a sudden drop today, I'm not sure if that is going to be or not. For now, I'm leaving this TP right here. Then, if tomorrow my stop loss survive, I will come here maybe in the morning. Tomorrow morning. So, in around 12 hours. So I will come when I drop my kids to school. I have walk in the park, and then I come back around 9 a.m. right here. Mostly in the mostly if you guys are watching me for the from the US, you guys will be asleep because it will be night time there. But later I will try to keep the stream a bit short. But if this stop loss survive, then okay. If it doesn't survive, then there will be no point of coming live, because if this survive and if I'm going to close, because I want to make this rule that any trade that I'm going to take will be live, and that I'm going to close will be live. But if the SL hit like 41.54, if the SL hit, I may not be live at that time. So then later you can know that okay, the SL is gone. But even let's say if I'm going to manually close this, let's say if it go against me tomorrow morning, if it is right here and if I'm going to close it, I will come live right here and will say okay, I don't want to wait for the stop loss, I'm going to close. Yes. This trade is on the basis of a double top. Not just a double top, maybe this as well. This resistance you see, this was that place where we have got a change of character. I discussed it already, but let me again tell you, for those who are watching me for the first time, this is that place, this right now where we are standing, this where a change of character already happened. So from there it dropped this much. Now again, if it doesn't drop this much, at least this much we can aim for 800 pips of a drop. So it makes sense. Plus compared to the take profit, this stop loss is nothing in front of it. 262 pips and 896 pips of a TP. And it can take the whole week, because we have the whole week. This level is strong maybe, right? Because also let's see it this way. NY session is open, but this daily candle will also be having some meaning for us. If it closes with a pin bar today, then there was this fair value gap that was filled as well. This is how it's looking on the 1 minute. Finished. Tea is finished. Marcos, my dear friend, welcome to the live stream. Thank you, Marcos. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. You guys are my regular audience. I miss you when I don't see your comments. Okay. Royden Morgan, Marcos, Abdi, Wali, Abdi, and Christoph, Volnis, Volvic, and some others. These are the names I remember. Yes, Total Inspection as well. He is Amarnath Yadav. These names I remember. I miss your chat right here when I'm live. Right? I'm still thinking whether I should close or whether I should leave it overnight, because if I end the stream, it will mean I'm going to leave this overnight. So let's wait for this candle, okay? If, who knows, it can be a bearish engulfing. If this close as this, it will again open doors. But the thing is, then the next candle again, even if this close right here, the next candle can open and go and take a retest again. So this is maybe then why not selling from there with this much stop loss instead of this much. See, this much. This make good sense. We have 17 minutes left, so let's see. Let's see, this 15-minute candle is closing in 2 minutes. So oh, if it closes as this, my friend, my stop loss might be compromised, because we also have this active at the moment. This 41.66 it is showing. Let's see. Yes, Marcus, today is bank holiday. Veteran Day it is. So we cannot expect too much volume in this session. Maybe in the yen session, Asian session. I call it yen session. I'm not sure why. In the Asian session and the Sydney. I'm not sure why I get a little bit emotional today, because this one seems emotional into to me. Yes, this is 100% emotional entry, but it's okay, not at a bad place. But I mean, like, emotion is emotion, still the entry is emotional. I mean, I should have waited for this breakout right here. This breakout was not occurred and I entered on a running candle, means it is emotion. And then obviously there is this level we have as well. Like, in advance we don't know, it can also stop right here, 4100. Plus on the 15-minute there is a pin bar, bullish pin bar. So now I have two options, either to book this loss or to hold it overnight. 262 pips and around $26 of a loss it becomes. That will become a total loss of $44 today. But $44 is big loss on this account. And if I win this whole trade, let's say till here, this profit will be in dollars around $89. I think I'm waiting for 13 minutes further, then we see okay what we need to do. If this candle closes bearish, then I'm sure it is coming, at least till here it is coming. Let's see these others. Seems like this double top is playing. But then this is also a question. It is going to stop near 4100 or it is coming down further. Nine minutes left. This is a very big engulfing on the 5 minute. Again a rejection on the 15 minute. We have to wait for a close. 8 minutes left, and then this breakout will happen. Oh, this is playing out right here. Oh, let me tell you, my friends, on the 15-minute, this is also this pattern active right here. That's why I say, see, it started with this, then it plotted this impulsive wave. Let me change the color a little bit. Let's make it white. It started the pattern as this. They go there. From here, they go there. Then they came back down. Then they go back up, consolidated a little bit, and then they came back down. Look at this number. So it can be the A, B, this is the C, D will be somewhere up, but even if it reverses back, there is another 61.8, and this will become the A, the B, the C. Oh, my friend, that's why it is struggling right here. But no doubt H1 candle will, like, technically it is possible it can go back up from here. The next move seems to be as this. Then right here we will see whether it drops or whether it give us a breakout, readers, and a continuation. Just 5 minutes left. This is a 61.8. Just have a look at it. Intraday buying zone back to 41.38. 4 minutes left. I'm waiting a little bit. If it go a rejection, then let's see, I might be leaving the position then. Inamul Rab, wa alaikum assalam. How are you doing? Just one moment, okay? Three minutes left, and then this H1 will close. Then we will know what is going to happen next. 1 minute left. Next candle again can go around 158 pips. Let's see. I think I might be closing near break even. Let's see. Okay. On the H1, this is a good bearish engulfing. Let's see if it closes below this zone or not. 1 minute left. The next candle can, as open, go skyrocket up. Okay, we have got a good bearish engulfing. We need a close below this 61.8. Closed with 14 pips. Okay. Maybe on the break below I can sell again, but at least. Or if it goes slightly up again, I can sell with less stop loss. So let's see. Okay, it depends on this. I bought with 23 pips of a stop loss. Let's see, this is scalping trade. 95 pips of a TP. 15 pips, it's 17 pips, it's giving me 18 pips, 19, 20. The right stop loss will be here. 43 pips. But no, I am setting it right here. If it is gone, it's gone. 21 pips. Scalping. Moses, thank you for the chat. I mean, it's really struggling. Let's see, I took this 754 pips TP trade with a stop loss of 295 pips. So tomorrow we will see what it brings to us, right? Let's see. Okay, it can drop, it cannot drop, or it can drop. Whatever the situation will be, it can reverse from right here as well, so we can see it near 4100. It depends. Okay, depends. Wait, okay, this is now the decision point to me. I think this is going to happen. This will be the support. it will then become A point, this will become the B point, this whole, okay, this whole I want to say. See, started with a pattern, and then again this move started with a pattern, and right here it will be a broken and a retest, and then the completion will be, so this will be the A point, the start point, right, this one. This is the B, but this is also a start point for the seller, and this will become the C, which can be a start point for the bulls, and this is 4100 level. You know, in my strategy what I usually tell you is that it looks as this. So usually this is 61.8, this is the completion wave, this is the start wave, so same is right here, this is point C, 61.8% retracement of what type of people, of these people. Makes a very good sense. Round number is 4100 approximately. And then if we see it on the lower time frames such as the 1 minute, this will be the structure we need to understand. Okay, so when you will also be sometimes trading, if we see this whole rally right here, see, then what happened after this? Look at these imbalances zones right here and just observe. After this occurred right here, we bought, we are stopped out, market drop, continuation, and a further drop it is showing. So if we see, this is like on this curve, and this is inside in this channel, so it will be doing its ups downs, but overall seems like it will be coming back down. Why? Because if we also see this on the H1, on the H1 we have got a bearish engulfing. Today I spend a lot of the time on the bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing and multi candlestick patterns. So this is it, but remember the H4 is not yet closed. Okay, if the H4 closes right here, then it is for sure a very big drop, then maybe it is not stopping near 4100 as well. This information we have to keep in mind. We need to keep this whole information in our mind. And even look at this daily candle. This is a very weak buy level. Then the good buying level will be 4044. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Till now so far it is nicely coming down. So let's see 4100. We need to see if we can buy right here or not. I'm waiting for it. If it come quickly, so we know that okay, what we need to do. Right here there is still 142 pips drop left. I just want to see that okay, near this 4100 what it does right here, because then it will be showing us this as well. Let me show you. Where is the arrow? Here it is. From here it will be showing us this, and from there maybe another drop, but obviously it can continue back up. So right here we have to see it is coming back down, but the actual move will be to the sell side. But later if it gives a break above like this, then we can read the candles and do plan accordingly. And a break below, if the market is very strong, then this it will be taking this as well. 4070. Looking at this volume, I think this is coming sharp down, but let's see. Okay, let's wait for it. Look at this candle on the H4. Well, on the H4 this candle is very big, right? This is very big. Let's see 4100 to find out what it gives us further. I mean, look at it on the 1 minute. How is it going down? I mean, no bullish interest of anyone. So maybe right here, if a bullish interest develops, 4100 approximately. Here, okay. I can buy, but I will remain be on this sell, okay. Some hedging I might be doing. 4100 is a little bit too early area. Wow, 137 pips already it's giving me. If it closes below 4100, that will be the perfect place to further look to the downside. A crazy sell if we can see. This is a little bit where I think maybe the bulls can appear right here. From here back to 4130, 321 pips. $155 pips this market is giving me at the moment. RSI critically oversold means it can attract some bulls. Even back till here, 41.19 maybe. But we need to wait, okay? Those of you who have not yet liked the stream, give me a thumbs up. Very fantastic market played today. At a moment I thought I just want to leave right here. But then after that, see, 136 pips. Good profit it can be, but I'm a little bit afraid of this zone because another buy can come from right here. Five minutes further left. And then we further know that okay, what's going next. Till at this stage, the daily candle seems pin bar. It is not closed, okay? So we decide whenever it closes as this. But like, who knows? It can also come back down till here. The same today, like it can come down further. This much, though we haven't seen big volume today, but let's see. Possibility is possibility. We cannot deny that fact. Where has the market gone? Wow, surprisingly, where is my market? Oh, if this H4 candle closes below this, that will be then a sure drop till here. No buying right here then. But this H4 candle should close. But there is still a bit more time left in this. Closely observe it on the 1 minute. Greg Blonsky. Terrific trade. Yes, I think so. After so long, I see you here in the stream. Miss you guys in the stream. When you comment, I think now you guys are with me. But when you don't comment, I don't know. Oh, I need a break below this. I need a break below this. I need a break below this because if not, it can throw price back up. I need a break below this, and if this break occurs, then I think this market is straight back to 4045, 4047 approximately. But the thing is, this H4 is not yet closed. So whatever we are seeing is on the H1. Even if an H1 closes below this, will a little bit assure me that okay, what's going on. So I'm like just looking the market as this. Okay, what's happening next? And though selling was not my market, okay, this is not as per my strategy. This is on the basis of a double top. My strategy will be suggesting me buy. So tomorrow I will be discussing that. Maybe it can be right here. If that buy works, that can be a very good buy. So among this zone, let's see how we get it. But at least on the 1 minute, this 4100 has been broken. Then there comes another level, 4070 as well. See right here. Let me show you this. It consolidated right here, tried to push back down from here, so maybe then from right here again it can push just around 276 pips. But first, this breakout is so much important for me. 1 minute left, so let's see if this breakout occurs or not. Let me zoom in. If this breakout doesn't occur, the next candle can possibly push and go back up. Oh, I think the breakout is half done, half not done. Little breakout done, not full breakout. On the 30-minute at least, see, we have got a breakout. So it should continue 4070 at least. But we will need some confirmations from H1 because the H1 is open and the open candle can go and close either way. See, it is trying to be rejecting from this level. Well, what do you say? I think, isn't this profit enough for today? I'm honestly speaking tired, okay? If I further hold this position, I know it can drop, but I think I'm just mentally tired to hold this position. Either I can decide to risk 295 pips and leave it overnight, right? Or I can move stop to break even and risk this 186 pips, or I can close 185 pips booked. So this is good. I think it is now maybe from right here, maybe this is possible, it can go back up 4100, and even if that really continues above this, it can further go up and complete this ABCD 4166. But I'm too tired today, okay? I may not be able to trade this buy. Let's see if I can get some quick buying right here. Nothing is yet confirmed for buying, not even on the 1 minute. At least I will need 5-minute candle close right here. Okay, let's see tomorrow. Okay, I'm now completely tired. I cannot hold further trades. Not buying right here. My mind is tired. I